Hi, a good day to everyone. I'm Stanley from ASM Pacific Technology Manufacturing. It is a pleasure of speaking in front of you all this morning, and I'm more than excited to share with you more about ASM in the next few minutes. As they say, change is the only constant thing in this world. Here in ASM, we look at changes as a source of opportunity to improve and be better. In the past 40 years, the technological advancements have changed our life from every detail. In ASM, the technological advancements have also changed our executions from business process, manufacturing, and product development. Today, I shall focus on those changes in manufacturing and the transformation of big data. Technology has significantly evolved over time. Looking back, my 35-year-old PC, you will see the significance of personal computers and how they have greatly impacted how we do things. Moving to the present times, we can now cite the era of smartphones as a good example of this evolution. Smartphones have indeed revolutionized how people live today. Its multifunction allows people to do a lot of things with just a snap of fingers, totally changing everyone's life experience. I can fully relate to this transformation because I myself experienced this. This story of change from PCs to smartphones is similar to what we will be seeing the similar story of change in ASM. Now, it's time to immerse you through ASM Smart Factory. With Industrial 4.0, ASM revolutionized its entire process to take advantage of automation and data exchange. Two of the good examples that I would like to share with you would be our smart factories in China and Singapore. Two of our leaders from each country will guide you through the efforts of transformation from manual manufacturing to smart operation. We have Isaac Law, our Senior VP of Manufacturing overseeing China manufacturing, and also John Lim, our VP of Manufacturing in Singapore. Hi, Isaac, tell me, what actually the key highlight of our factory and what really makes our factory smart and digital?
Oh, sure, Stanley. Among others, the key highlights that I would like to go through in this tour of our factory will be our smart storage solution, 5-axis robot, and the real-time monitoring system that we use. The first highlight will be the use of smart storage solutions characterized by the use of mobile robots. These mobile robots efficiently move items within the factory. We apply such mobile robots in the store to automatically move crates from storage area to picking stations so as to totally eliminate walking time of pickers. They are very agile and can be easily rotated depending on the required movement. The instructions are given via Wi-Fi, and they have sensors that stop them from colliding with each other. This technology allows us to increase productivity and reduce costs. The second highlight is the 5-axis robots. They are very versatile, flexible robots that develop and implement computer vision and machine learning applications. They are very powerful, fast and highly accurate, and can be used for various purposes.
Now we move on to another great example to show us the Singapore Smart Factory highlights. We have John Lim, our VP of Manufacturing in Singapore.
Thank you, Stanley. Hello to all. Welcome to our very smart factory here in Singapore. One of the highlights of our smart factory here is the use of augmented reality, commonly known as AR. With AR technology embedded into our assembly, production is becoming more advanced and seamless. AR allows our assembly team to virtually create, experiment, alter, machine order without having to actually produce an actual prototype. This process infuses a lot of cost and time efficiencies into our processes. Integration is the key to Industry 4.0. Our next smart factory highlight is the automated storage and retrieval system integrated directly into our assembly line to synergize the latest technology. This gives us the ability to supply complete kits directly to our assembly technicians. Robots that can collaborate with people are also integrated into the same lean line. Fully integrating these creates an advanced and smart line. Lastly, there's the electronic pull system in our Singapore smart factory. Essentially, it is a tag line. However, instead of moving the machines after each tag, we have created a virtual move environment. The monitors and tag will change whenever a tag is completed and the technician is moved instead. Results from this line has so far been very good. We are able to harness all the benefits of a tag line, very focused and specialized people generating predictable and high quality output without having to move any machines.
ASM takes pride of having its system devoted into holistic data integration. Our software technologies allow the integration to happen among our machine and people, resulting to a more effective and efficient manufacturing system. We have Adela Chung, our Senior Marketing Administration Manager, and Lance Hong, our Project Manager,
and Da Wei, our Technical Manager.
They will tell us more about the business process flow with data integration.
With the awareness of necessity to have a common platform for worldwide sales to share customer account information and opportunities in the market, we have adopted customer relationship management technology. We refer to it as CRM. Since it is cloud-based, all users can access the CRM anytime, anywhere. That means we'll always have instantly updated data on forthcoming demand of our equipment. There is seamless synchronization of customer account and equipment models between CRM and ERP systems. The data of opportunities can then be translated to our monthly output plan. The plan will then be reviewed and approved in MPS meetings involving marketing, planning, and manufacturing. In this way, our manufacturing system would be able to respond to the customer's needs efficiently. Satisfied customer means more opportunities for ASM in the long run.
We are making use of our Product Lifecycle Management Portal, or PLM. After design instructions are confirmed, we will configure our machines to generate the product requested. To start, our engineers will create a bill of materials, also known as BOM, encapsulating all configurations of the design based on client's specifications.
In all, our MES system has the potential to help us reduce costs, increase productivity, machine utilization, and improve yield, bring us one step closer to smart manufacturing.
Going back to what I said earlier about change, that it is the only constant thing in this world. Now, it can be either a boon or a bane to anyone who encounters it. But we here in ASM, we choose to look at change as an opportunity to grow, an opportunity to evolve. The evolution of ASM, as you have witnessed earlier, are just some key proofs that we have really turned into a strong digital enterprise. Thank you very much, everyone.